loves. I need water. I just done with my workout. I'm so thirsty. Papa and apple. So since the last time my lights were like, I don't know what to do, and I don't have money right now to buy the new one. So I don't know. You see, I use glue, but the glue did not hold on it. So I don't know if I should go to those welder or electrician. Problem is, yeah. Just by the way, I'm cutting this window curtain. It's too long. So right now, this is I'm filming the hard way right now. I'm finding somewhere to place the phone. My toothbrush. Yeah, like this way is better. I just want to leave the edge like this. So I'm just doing some design B. Okay, so you see my window curtain is looking so nice now. I don't like when I fold it like this, it's not nice at all. So this is how it's looking, so nice. The edges are so I'm washing my water bottles. These are the ones I have been using. This light. Today we'll be painting this table where I normally, so I will show you guys. And then removing this sticker, the one Miona has been showing. By the way, I did it myself. It was the one that painted this wall as well. It was all over white, but the wall is not smooth, like the roughness. So I just decided to paint it gray. At least it will be better. I just need to pack this in my wardrobe. I don't know which one I should do first. Paint first or anyway, let me sort myself out. Whenever I'm walking, like the last time I painted the wall, you can see the remaining paint on my pants. This is my outfit, my work outfit. The light just went off. I'm just taking the table outside, and the other side I've not painted yet. Yeah, so this is what is going on right now. I don't know if it's clear. No. Oh yeah, it's not POP then. It's POP, yes. It's not affected. It's not affected, so yes. It's okay. Exactly. It's not for even if I put everything. No, it's not for. It's not for. Chain. I've not even touched it yet. This is my biggest struggle right now. So I just went and buy some groceries at my area. I like to shop at my area though, because when I'm coming from Maduna, I like to carry that heavy bag. It's not easy, and from where the last stop is to my place is very far. This fish in saladin, this is what we call pollock. Hey my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yeah, so I washed my hair yesterday. I just wrapped it with my t-shirts, and I just want to show you guys like how I set up the place and decorate. I am so happy for my sewing station, guys. Oh my god, thank you Jesus. This is how this place is looking like. I removed the bathroom flower. I divided it, some is there, so I just decided to design it like this. And my pomades are here. Some of my brushes I removed it from the from my makeup box. This is long reach container. Yeah, and some of my makeups are here. So this is like my altar, my prayer point. Wrap this bottle with kente. So I want to get access. My threads, some of them are here also, and I also wrap the bowl. This is actually bowl with this kente and the flora fabric. A measurement tape. This was my former sewing machine. Yeah, this is Omi's sewing machine, but it's so nice, and it comes with a pedal. I just need couch to just put here, and I'll change my rubber chair by the grace of God. Kakra kakra, how God is blessing me. This was my first tote bag that I start sewing with my hand, actually, because I start sewing with my hand. But yeah, so this is what I use normally to go to the market, like store around. Yeah, so this is where I normally put my biscuit. I have this basket here that's they're just random things are here. So I really cleaned yesterday very well. Mixed pepper and pineapple. I did this last night, but it was too much, so I just decided to put the remaining one in this bottle. My lip is so dry. Whoosh. Pray and hope that 2024 will be a year of restoration. God will really show up and show up for me in any area of my life. God will protect my family, my friends, my loved ones. And God will favor me, especially my business. Yeah, so see you guys later.